How to remove last name on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, make sure that your Facebook application is updated on your device to its latest version. So just go to the Play Store application and type Facebook. So as you can see on my device, the app is updated and no updates are available. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the Facebook application home page or home screen. Now just go to Facebook and then you tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now as you tap on your profile and then tap on gear icon, then select on see more in account center. Now tap on your profile yet again. After that, you have the option of selecting your Facebook account. Now here, tap on name. And here you can change your surname as well as your name. So now we want to change our last name. So just tap on surname and change it according to your preference. Here I'm just changing it to Steve maybe. So just review change. Now save the changes. You can preview a new name according to your choice. After that, what you're gonna do is we're gonna go back. Now go back to our profile if it has been updated. Just go back, tap on your profile. Now as we refresh, it does not show for now. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna exit the Facebook application and then reopen it again. And then we're gonna tap on our profile again, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.